Okay, I think we're all ready.
Go.
Yep. Definitely wasn't just recording you doing that. Hello! Welcome back to
What's Safeword?
I'm Am.
I'm Mr. Christopher.
And today,
We're doing another bondage tie.
Today we are specifically doing the arm corset tie, which is just a very simple wraparound tie that you can use on your legs or your arms, but for ease and are you okay?
No, you can do it in front or behind.
Oh, this is a visual gag.
Yeah.
Got it.
No, we already did the bit gag. This is front, this is behind. Front or behind.
I got it. Well, now that that's behind us, this is a core set of ties that you use for this tie. Core tie.
I did it.
Course. That our core audience is sure to love.
It's actually kind of like a bondage sleeve, and it's really pretty when it goes either way, front or behind.
Okay. This is a very full, secure feeling, and the tie is not going to go anywhere once it's nice and laid in place. And for today's tie, all you're going to need is 30 to 50 feet of rope, depending on what you have. Today, we're going to use some hemp rope from Twisted Monk in my favorite TARDIS Blue.
TARDIS Blue.
You know what a TARDIS is, right?
It's one of those things in Africa that go really slow. They go in their little shells.
A tortoise?
TARDIS.
Oh my god. No, TARDIS stands for time and relative dimension in space, obviously. And for today, we're gonna use our TARDIS blue rope. Whee! That's how you actually undo rope properly.
That is not how you undo rope properly, for the record.
For today's tie, you're gonna go ahead and find the bite, and then you're gonna wrap it around your bottom's arms.
Oh, it's on me to this
Yeah,
side?
you're the bottom.
Careful.
Finding that bite, we're gonna wrap it around the arms, and we're gonna go through the bite with our ends.
It's like pulling Rapunzel's hair.
This step can take a little bit of time, but it actually gets easier as you wrap up the arms. Just like that. After we have that first wrap, we're gonna go ahead and continue the wrap. We're gonna keep going the opposite direction of the bite that we just used.
But make sure you use your other hand to keep the bite loose so you have something for the rope to go through.
So my hand's holding that bite. I'm gonna pull that rope through, and again, pulling all the way through. And you see you have nice little laces lined up. We're gonna keep doing that, again, all the way up the arm. It's really simple. So let's keep wrapping. Again, pulling through the bite we just created until our ends come all the way through.
So if you keep that bite nice and on top of each other, it's gonna look like a zipper going up the front. Be nice and pretty.
You're nice and pretty.
As you get closer to the elbow, remember don't over tighten because it will cause their joints to pull towards each other.
And we don't want this tie to be uncomfortable. This is actually a really comfortable tie for some medium to long wear because our veins are not being cut off, so our fingers will still get blood, and it should be nice and comfy. Hey. And you can steer them with this rope. Yeah, get out of here. But as you can see, it's very pretty, it's elegant, and it's effective. Because of all the layers of rope on top of each other, he's not getting those hands apart.
No. And it's pretty comfortable, but remember those elbows again. The closer they get to each other, the more it pulls on the bottom's back.
Once we have it completely wrapped and we come to the top, we have our two ends, and we're gonna wrap them in the back and grab a layer of the rope here, loop our ropes through, and wrap to the front, creating a nice lock on the top. Coming back in front, we're gonna split our ropes, and one of them is gonna go through the last bite we just created, and then we're gonna create a nice square knot on top of our rope corset.
It looks very nice, and it's super comfortable.
Yeah, because your arms are tied together like that, that means your veins are still open and your fingers aren't gonna go numb, and you got a little bit of excess rope, which you can tuck them into the sleeve itself to keep it nice and secure because they can't touch that knot at the top, and it also just hides the rope, so it looks nice and pretty. From there, you could grab some rope and tie it through one of these bites and tie their arms up. Woo. You could tie it behind their back and then get to their sides and armpits. But your bottom is nice and helpless. So what do you think, Daddy?
I like it. I like it when it's behind the back too.
Put your hands behind your back. Just put your hands behind. Put your.
Oh, it's kind of like a golf swing.
But that is all for now. Don't forget, if you're using any bondage rope ties, to always have a safe word. And today's safe word, Daddy, is
Hemp.
because we love hemp rope here, and you know, honestly, it's just a nice, comfortable, conditioned rope.
It smells like horse. I like horses.
I like turtles.
Have you ever seen that kid on the internet? It's like, I like turtles, and he's got like zombie makeup on.
Wouldn't be like, I like tortoise.
Oh my God.
Points!
Okay, yes, points. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just tie Daddy up here. Let's see if I can find some rope. And we'll see you guys next time on What's to Safeword. Don't forget to leave comments, likes, bells.
Ring the bell.
Slide into our DMs, or do people do that still? Like bam. Let us know what tie you guys want to see next time here on What's a Safeword, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye. Okay, but really, I need some rope. You just stay right there. Watch me. So, let's see. Ha ha! Too short.